Hello, my name is Kristina Norman, and I own Cake and Success, which is an amazing company where I help support cake designers to charge premium prices, have a book solid cake calendar on a consistent basis, and run and manage a successful and profitable cake business. I've been doing this for a while, and I absolutely love it. And I own Aspen Charm Cakes and Pastries, which is located here in Denver, Colorado, and I've been doing this for over 5 years, so I have a lot of experience running a successful cake business, and I love sharing all of my knowledge with my cake designers, and I've been helping transform my cake designers' businesses, having them triple their prices, have a book solid cake calendar, charge thousands of dollars for their cakes, and really have a successful cake business that they love. And I want to welcome you that you are actually checking out the Cake and Success Collective membership site, which is a program that I have created just for the cake designer who wants consistent trainings, teachings, guidance on how to actually build a successful and profitable cake business at your fingertips, where you get access to tons of amazing content that's really going to help transform your cake business and transform your life for good. All of my trainings are transformational, to where it's not going to be 1 month you experience great things and then you don't. You're going to really have a new awesome cake business that you've never experienced before. And I created this program because I wanted all of my cake designers to get more access to me, to where you really get the up and coming information, the guidance for what I know works for my cake designers, and giving you everything that you need to have a successful cake business and making it at an awesome price, so you can always have the guidance and support that you need to take your cake business to the next level. I've supported cake designers in so many different ways, and I want to create this program and this offer for you to actually get consistent access to me, to where I get to coach you in your cake business. You get access to tons of my training videos, my guides, my templates, everything that you need to have a successful cake business. You know, when I started my cake business, I was probably just like you, struggling to make clients, struggling to charge premium prices, struggling to even really support myself with my cake business alone. You know, I live by myself, and I had to really find out, how can I really support myself just selling cakes in my business? And I learned how to really put everything together for what works. And I've delivered that for my clients over the past years. And now I want to give it to you inside of the collective membership site, to where you consistently have access to all of my trainings, my guidance, so you really know exactly what you need to do in order to have a successful cake business. So this membership site is really geared to really give you everything that you need, a clear path to the success that you want. All of my trainings are just gives you exactly what you need to take the right steps, to take what works, to really have the mindset of a successful cake business owner, and really attract the best clients to you, charging the prices that you want. All of my clients that have really applied everything that I've given them consistently charge thousands of dollars for their cakes. Have book solid cake calendars, consultations continuously flowing in, running their cake business in a sound and easy way, to where you're not frantically waiting until the last minute trying to work on your cakes, applying great time management skills, and pretty much just running a successful cake business that you love, and even working on the cakes that you want to make, that you designed, instead of a Pinterest cake or an Instagram cake that the client has brought to you, and pretty much you're the order taker. So I would love for you to join me inside the collective membership site and really learn the proven strategy, the right way to grow your cake business. And try my way, because my way has worked for myself and for the many of cake designers that I have supported. You can click down and see all the amazing testimonials that all of my clients have given me, learning and applying everything that I have shared with them. And I'd love for you to experience the same type of results as well. I will see you inside of the membership program. Bye.